Good evening, all my friends out there that hate being ripped off. And I did a video other day about some things that happened to us or my wife at the Toyota dealership, and you've probably seen it. It's gotten a lot of views. Almost every comment was perfect, but there was two or three, buddy, they got ugly with me. But that's okay. That means we're doing something right. All right. The cabin air filter scam. Folks, these people are brutal. They're looking to squeeze every penny they can out of you, all right? Toyota Corolla. Let me tell you something. They charge, like, I don't know, I'm guessing $35 for the filter and $35 or $40 just to change this thing. You can go on Amazon and buy a good filter between $11 and $15. And how hard is it to change out? Now, I kind of got all my wife's stuff on the floor here, so it just doesn't just dump out. So here, all you do, you come over here to the glove box, pull this out right here, push these little keepers out like that, grab this tab right here. There's your air filter. I tell you what, it just gets me. I'm gonna put it back. It just gets me that, look, it's put back. What'd that take? I don't know, 40 seconds? They're gonna charge you $40 or $50 to do that? I could not do it to an elderly person. I am appalled that they would even charge you. I mean, I can see selling the filter if it's a good quality filter, a few dollars more, even if it's $10 more. But to hit you for $35, $45, $55, $60 to do what I just did? Hey, folks, it's time to say no to this BS. There's a bunch of folks out there, especially our elderly, our people that are gullible, that'll fall for anything. I'm saying no.